Hey everyone, it's Ken Scott, Senior U.S. Immigration Law Intelligence Analyst with www.usentryWaiverServices.com, and we resolve all your USA border crossing issues. I got to make sure I'm sorted out here. I guess it's good enough. Anyway, we're at www.usentryWaiverServices.com. So, video on a phone call we just received. I just have to shake my head so much. A gentleman just called us, and he thought he had a border crossing problem. Well, he does not. And not to go into his business, but the gentleman has driving offenses, 2 or 3 driving offenses. I will just say that. And he was asking me if he needed a waiver. And I said, well, I don't know, what do you have? And the stuff he had, I said, well, those are not even criminal offenses. I said, so that's just driving, motor vehicle infractions. Why do you think you need a waiver? He said he called, what was it? I think it was 4 or 5 of the discount waiver companies. And they kept trying to push a waiver on him, saying, well, you don't want to be detained. You don't want to be delayed. You don't want to this and that. And I said, look, bro, you don't have any criminal convictions. You don't have any charges. The stuff you have is this motor vehicle offenses. It's not even a DUI. It's way below DUI. I said, would you even need that? And they're trying to tell him, oh, you just want to be sure, yada, yada, so you won't be detained. Guys, it's complete 100% bullshit. Well, at least this guy, he had enough, he had the fortitude, he had the sense to know that they were trying to bullshit him and sell him something he did not need. So we got him sorted out proper. And I offered to ask him if he wanted to be a guest on our talk radio show, but he's kind of a, guy that likes to just, do his thing, doesn't want to be in the limelight, which that's fine. I can respect that. But the thing is, he said they keep calling him back, asking for deposits, leaving their numbers, leaving messages, trying to tell them, oh, we'll do it for 1,000, we'll do it for 1,200. It sounds like they're trying to also do the price war, the price shopping. This is so fucking stupid. This is a prime example of what I talk about these discount waiver companies do anything they can to keep the lights on. And I wish that gentleman would do an episode with us, and you guys could hear what happened to him. Guys, not every offense requires a U.S. waiver. I'm going to become a parrot, it seems like, because I keep saying the same thing repeatedly. And fair enough, he never heard of us, but it just gets me when I see this crap. This is a waiver application. Well, for what we do, this is our waiver applications. And this is one. And this case is moderately complex. This person who went this case, they went to a waiver provider that did not know what he was doing, which is typical. And this guy got royally screwed. So this guy got his waiver denied. So now we're just redoing it. We can turn it around, but it's beyond major work. And it takes so much time to turn around these mistakes from these lawyers and these discount waiver companies. Just had another person earlier today. She went through a lawyer, and I won't say the lawyer's name, and she got screwed over. She got denied. And her particular case, without going into the details, the lawyer kept trying to emphasize her family in USA. And he kept pushing other areas that could have popped up and made her even inadmissible in those regions, those areas. So I even asked, I said, why is he even pushing that? Because that could make you, that could lead to other areas of inadmissibility. My skin looks so shiny here, I don't know. So anyway, we can get that one turned around. That's not a problem, but it really is becoming the point where the people who went to these lawyers and discount waiver companies who've gotten denied, it's really becoming a good business for us turning these denials around, because it's major work to turn them around. And obviously we get to charge more for that. So, I mean, I don't know what to say about this. It's just really, to me, it's just really pitiful that the discount waiver company is going after this guy to try to get him, try to sell him a waiver, and they know or should know that he does not need it. Maybe they don't know, which that's fine. But it's only, guys, it's only, he only has motor vehicle infractions, nothing else. And then we know I asked him about charges, convictions. He got none of that, just motor vehicle infractions. And his infractions are less than a DUI. And a DUI for liquor, you don't even need a waiver. Let me see a glare coming up here. So logic dictates that if you don't need a waiver for a simple DUI, why would you need a waiver for simple motor vehicle infractions? It makes no sense. So obviously, yeah, he didn't know, he's unsure, but he knew, he smelled the bullshit they were trying to push, which is fine. And the point is, these companies, like I said, they're calling the guy back, leaving messages, begging for his business. You guys, you need to be aware, if the waiver provider, the discount waiver company is constantly calling you, leaving messages, trying to push a sale, come on. Let common sense kick in. There's something wrong, something smells rotten here. And that's exactly what happened in this case. And he's not the first one. And, you know, we told him, say, hey, you're good to go. I mean, for what you're telling us, yada, yada. But anyway, so if you guys make the mistake of cheaping out and going to one of these discount waiver companies, and if they keep pushing a product, then you got to let your common sense kick in here and say, wait a minute, why are they pushing this? We push nothing. And we probably have the highest fees in this business. I'm going to guess, but we push nothing. And the thing is, we also have the 99% success rate. And you guys already know, I previously worked for the American system in Washington State. So for me, we have the internal knowledge. We have the, I'm going to call them the adjudication sheets the CBP uses for a waiver. Basically, it's the guidelines and criteria. What kind of example can I use? Let's just say, I don't really want to show that. I don't want to show that either. All right, I'll do it like this. Let's just say this is the criteria the CBP uses to adjudicate a waiver. So what we do is when we have a waiver application, waiver packet, we've got the material. It's not just this material, it's other stuff. We've got the material, let's say, okay, it's open right here. This is, okay, the left side. So we got the sheets here, so okay. And then we've got the client's material right here, the right hand. Okay, so, okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay, that's good. So, oh, wait a minute. This, they're saying they're looking for such and such, which XX, okay. I said, okay, okay, Sarah, we need to show, I think this one, we need to show more la 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 in it to make sure la 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 la, based upon what they're asking for right here. And she said, well, why would I said, look, we need to show la 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 la, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, because right here, one of the adjudication standards state that XXXXTOP NZ. This right here doesn't have that. So this, Sarah, this here is going to have to match that. So you need to get him on the phone and get XXXXXX from him. And he needs to come in probably, get him to see if he can come in like an hour or so. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yep. Yeah, okay, that's good. Yep. Okay. Okay. Hey, wait. They want this, but we don't have this. Need to also ask him for, yeah, okay. And also pull the other file from yesterday, Mr. Singh's file. How many Singhs live in Surrey? Well, sorry, how many Singhs live in BC? Okay, yep. Okay. Okay, that's good for there. That's good. And the thing is, guys, I'm not looking at just a waiver checklist of items. I'm looking at the actual criteria the CBP uses to decide whether they're going to approve a waiver. So it's not just a checklist that the bullshit checklist they give you, which is BS. This is their adjudication material. Okay, okay, yeah, good. Okay, we don't have to worry about that. But you guys get the picture. And thing is, competitors do not have that material. They don't have that training. They don't understand how those standards are enforced. And this stuff's always changing. The adjudication standards constantly change. We can get constant updates. Won't say how, but we can get them. So anyway, enough of that topic. Ken Scott, Senior, U.S. Immigration Law Intelligence Analyst with www.usentry-waiver-services.com, and we resolve all of your USA border crossing issues. And we're at 888-908-3841 or 604-562-8140. Now, it looks so, it's gonna look so shiny here on the camera. Anyway, so I mentioned the other day some good news that we have. It's still good. I'm going to find out about it very soon here, and I'm going to do a YouTube video and show you guys the actual news sooner than you guys think. So again, so this video we're going to call, what's a good title for this video? Maybe we'll call it, well, we'll figure something out. So again, Ken Scott signing off. And in the words of my Vulcan colleague, live long and prosper.